Nature holds power beyond imagination, from dust devils swirling through city streets to lightning bolts tearing open the Texas sky, reminding us that Earth is very much alive and full of surprises. Let's witness these breathtaking forces through the eyes of those who captured them. Winds in California were so fierce they practically redesigned a church, a reminder that nature doesn't always wait for permission to remodel. Thankfully, no one was hurt.
Should we go check on them? Let's go check on them. Let's go. Inside.
A cold front swept across Kansas, sending snow swirling dramatically over the Wichita baseball field, a rare and mesmerizing winter spectacle. A dust devil spun to life in the heart of Toronto, a swirling warning from nature of the deadly storm approaching. A deadly tornado tore through a Dutch city, sending debris flying through the gray sky, chaos unfolding in mere seconds. Surveillance cameras captured the moment a car plowed into a Manhattan restaurant. Chaos erupted, but miraculously no one was injured. Tension on a mountain road, a bulldozer rolled backward uncontrollably, yet the woman inside managed to jump clear just in time. A loose tire bounced across the highway and smashed into a nearby car. The hood crumpled instantly as the driver pulled over in shock.
Whoa!
In a muddy field, an SUV got stuck. The tractor that came to help tipped over itself, turning a rescue into a comedy of errors. Over Sydney, a small plane made an emergency landing on a golf course. After losing power, thankfully no one was hurt. A monster tornado tore through North Texas. Have you ever seen such destruction in real life? Oh my goodness. Thankfully, he walked away safe. In Key West, beachgoers struck poses for photos, even as massive waves crashed nearby, a daring, yet strangely joyful moment of defiance against the storm. As Hurricane Fiona roared over Newfoundland, towering waves swallowed an entire house, a chilling reminder of nature's devastating strength. A fierce storm swept through central Illinois, toppling massive trees like matchsticks. Nature's power laid bare in stunning fashion. In South Carolina, a peaceful backyard turned into a wasteland within seconds, proof that calm skies can turn violent in an instant. A deadly storm ripped across Ontario, battering the Canadian Speedway. Roofs and barriers were torn away in the blink of an eye. Do you feel how small we truly are when standing before the vast power of nature? Dozens of lightning bolts struck across Oklahoma's night sky, a breathtaking yet fearsome display of nature's raw electricity. A pedestrian narrowly escaped death as a speeding car whizzed by one split second between safety and disaster. A truck wheel came loose and rolled wildly down the street, slamming into parked cars, a terrifying moment caught on camera. Security footage shows an electric wheelchair crashing through a salon window in Romford. Shockingly, no one was hurt. Heart-stopping footage, an SUV skidded out of control, crashing into a porch, yet missing a woman by inches. Pure miracle amid chaos.
Are y'all okay? Yeah, is there any way we can kind of back that up?
If these moments took your breath away, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible footage. A slick road sent a car sliding into the back of a parked truck. Just a minor crash, but enough to make the driver's heart skip a beat.
Wait, really? They got like third.
An incredible moment on the racetrack. A UTV flipped backward, landed perfectly upright, and kept speeding ahead as the crowd erupted in cheers.
Yeah. Oh, he's going!
Commuters were waiting calmly until a car suddenly crashed into the barrier, sending debris flying. Miraculously, no one was hurt. A scene straight out of a comedy in Queensland. A stray cow casually strolled into a police station, leaving officers both stunned and amused. A man in Pittsburgh found out the hard way that taking out the trash can be acrobatic as slip sent everyone laughing and wincing at once.
On Black 40 pickup.
In Edmond, Oklahoma, an officer was unexpectedly taken down, not by a suspect, but by a rogue tree branch mid-duty. A funny yet adorable moment, a girl tried to block a flood of water, only to slip and splash, turning panic into laughter. A terrifying close call, a circular saw blade snapped loose and flew straight toward a man, missing him by mere inches. A massive avalanche struck Switzerland, a stark reminder to stay cautious in mountain regions during winter. Massive ice chunks tumbled from Manaslu in the Himalayas, clear evidence of rapidly changing glaciers. Armed with a hose, a 6-year-old girl turned into a mini superhero, except her power ended up soaking everyone around her. An unexpected comedy in Reno. While police were discussing road safety during a storm, a passing car splashed a huge wave over them, live on air. In a peaceful meadow, a harpist played Fleetwood Mac, and a curious horse decided to join in, turning it into an unforgettable duet. A tornado touched down near a wind farm in Crowell, Texas, a rare and surreal moment when nature's fury met its clean energy counterpart. Farmlands in northern Iowa shook as a confirmed tornado tore through another display of Earth's raw, relentless power. The first snow of the season quickly turned into a whiteout blizzard, blanketing Lake Tahoe in a breathtaking yet bone-chilling scene. At Mount Pleasant, marina boats rocked violently as wind and waves collided, small vessels battling the immense force of nature itself. Powerful gusts downed power lines in northern Illinois, sending sparks flying, a dangerous yet mesmerizing sight of light meeting storm. Before Hurricane Ian even made landfall, Naples glowed eerily with fires sparked by fallen power lines, nature's fiery warning before the storm. Metal debris flew off a construction vehicle's hood, narrowly missing the car behind a split second from disaster.
There, back. Is it?
Yeah.
A car skidded on an icy road into the opposite lane, but by sheer luck, oncoming vehicles swerved just in time to avoid catastrophe. Wow! Brave firefighters battled a raging wildfire near Flagstaff, the sky glowing red from the inferno. Oroville Dam's spillway was blasted in a controlled detonation, reinforcing the structure and protecting downstream communities. Storm Hermine ravaged the Canary Islands floodwaters, surging through Las Palmas. Like a waterfall, a heartbreaking reminder of nature's force. Heavy rain in southern New Jersey sent garbage bins floating down the streets, a chaotic, unbelievable sight of everyday life adrift. A colossal landslide struck near an excavator in Alaska. Rescue crews rushed in to clear the aftermath of the mountain's violent collapse.
But it's active, for sure.
A magnitude 7.1 earthquake shook the Philippines, severely damaging a historic bell tower, a piece of the nation's heritage lost to nature's relentless power.
Buti hindi pa tayo makyat dun.
Have you ever heard hail pound like a battlefield drum? Nature's percussion section doesn't hold back.
Window's gonna bust!
I gotta face this one.
Northern France trembled under the force of a violent tornado, once again nature proving its unpredictable might.
We gotta go to get away from it.
I don't know.
If you were there, would you have stood your ground in the face of that monstrous twister?
I don't know what to do. Get in the... Oh God, it's hitting us. God.
Lightning flashed over Fort Worth, then darkness swallowed the streets, nature's dramatic way of reminding us who's in charge.
Oh, that's a tornado! Oh, that's the wind! I bet that's a tornado!
That's a tornado. Oh my God.
Hail hammered Big Spring, Missouri. Icy pellets raining down like silver bullets, transforming calm streets into a thundering symphony of nature's power. A helicopter pilot captured an extraordinary scene dangling midair above the Vanuatu volcano, suspended between danger and greatness. In an icy river, a perfect circle of rotating ice spun slowly as if winter itself had a heartbeat calm and mesmerizing. Who needs flashlights when nature provides its own bioluminescent algae and mushrooms glowed softly in the dark, painting the night with living light? A breathtaking sight, a pod of orcas enjoying a kelp spa using seaweed to brush and play. Proof that nature's beauty often hides in its intelligence. On slick pavement, a car lost traction and slammed into a row of parked vehicles, a collision both sudden and dramatic. A car skidded on the runway-like road, veering into another lane. Passengers screamed as it missed a collision by mere seconds. Dashcam footage from Russia captured a left-turning car struck by an electric bus at an intersection, a harsh lesson in timing. Can you believe there are still sailors brave enough to face seas this wild? Towering waves and howling winds couldn't stop these ocean heroes. They dove into raging waters to save lives in the heart of the storm.
Whoa. Holy crap. Now it's golf ball size.
In Dallas, a few small hailstones quickly grew into a full-blown storm within minutes. A heart-stopping moment, a baby stroller rolled away on its own, and the mother sprinted like a superhero to catch it just in time. What a lucky save.
Scary, huh?
On an icy Oklahoma street, one woman turned a near fall into a full-on dance routine, accidental, hilarious, and strangely graceful. Milan's train station turned into an accidental swimming pool. After the storm, talk about taking the term underground trains literally. In San Sebastian, towering waves slam the Basque coastline, a breathtaking yet terrifying reminder of nature's power. Hail pelted Denver, make sure you're sheltered and avoid going outside. In San Sebastian, towering waves slam the Basque coastline, a breathtaking yet terrifying reminder of nature's power. Fort Myers, Florida trembled as an EF2 tornado tore through dozens of buildings, destroyed winds, howling like the sky itself was being ripped apart. A tornado ripped through Fort Lauderdale, snapping power lines and igniting sparks across the gray sky, a scene both terrifying and awe-inspiring. A dog out for a casual walk got ambushed by a flock of crows. Its startled reaction was so pure and funny that even the owner couldn't stop laughing.
Pesto chicken pasta? Little delayed.
A cat with a perfectly split black and white face became an instant internet sensation, a living work of art that looks straight out of Broadway. From blizzards bearing entire cities to rivers of glowing lava lighting up the night, every frame is a reminder that we are mere guests before nature's grand power. If these moments left you in awe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then turn on the bell to witness more breathtaking wonders of our living planet.